Hello, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedrat. Skillibeng to join Chris Brown on tour. The Crocodile Teeth Dancehall star will join mega platinum selling R&B singer Chris Brown on the first leg of his extended Under the Influence tour as a special guest, starting in Dublin in February and moving on to London, Birmingham, Glasgow, Manchester, Paris, Zurich, Berlin, Brussels and Munich, closing out in March in Amsterdam. The Eastside Boss, who was on Monday spotted at Popcorn's private listening party, heads to Philadelphia this Friday to perform alongside Road Code with DJs Trinity and Young Jenna. The DJ has been steadily making moves after his mega hit Crocodile Teeth remix with US rapper Nicki Minaj and copying the MOBA Awards back in December.
I represent Jamaica. I'm from a small island where it's very hard, and I really appreciate this award. And to everybody that's working hard, believe in yourselves, believe in your dreams. Keep doing what you do.
Now switching to Chris Brown, the artist has extended his Under the Influence tour to include 7 additional dates. It is the second time Brown is extending the tour. He added 7 dates in late 2022 and all those dates have been sold out. The tour takes the name of his 2019 single Under the Influence from his album Indigo Extended. The platinum-selling track is currently number 12 on the Billboard Hot 100 with over 600 million streams on Spotify and almost 80 million views on YouTube. Love that song.
You don't know what you did to me. Your body like
Now it's Oscar season and the nominees are in. The 95th Academy Awards made the reveal this week. Leading this year is the strange and sentimental film Everything Everywhere All at Once with 11 nominations.
The universe
he speaks of senseless things
is so much bigger
written you and
than you realize.
Of all the places I could be, I just wanted to share with you.
All Quiet on the Western Front and The Banshees of Inisherin followed with 9 nods each. Leading box office movies Top Gun Maverick, Elvis and Avatar The Way of Water got the nod for Best Picture. Original song category sees Rihanna earning her first Oscar nomination for Lift Me Up from Black Panther Wakanda Forever. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.